Hi guys, welcome to my quick unboxing of the much anticipated Nest Doorbell and side-by-side dimensional comparison with the Nest Hello. As you may know, pre-orders for the just released Nest Doorbell are still open until the 25th. I was one of the lucky few to get an early delivery just 3 days ahead of the official release. Anyway, let's dive in. So here is all that we have: the Nest Doorbell, a quick start guide, safety and warranty document, the usual paperwork, your charging cable 1 meter in length, USB Type-C on the side and Type-A on the other, a metal mounting plate, an optional 20-degree mounting wedge, and here in the little box, that's where all the little goodies are. We have the release tool, 2 wall anchors, 2 wall screws, 2 spacers, and a wire connector for those who wish to wire their doorbell rather than using the battery option. Alright, so let's get everything out of the way and have a look at the side-by-side view of the incoming Nest Doorbell and the Nest Hello. So in terms of width, the Nest Doorbell is slightly wider than the Nest Hello. And in terms of length, the Nest Doorbell is much taller than the Nest Hello. Thickness wise, the Nest Hello is slightly, just by a tiny fraction, thicker than the Nest Doorbell. And here's the back of them all. Overall, they all look great, but I definitely love the minimal look of the Nest Doorbell. So yeah, there we go. That's it for now. Until the next time.